Hey, what's up, crypto holders? This time, crypto market lost 10 billion loss. This is very big loss, and everyone cannot understand to what's going on in a crypto market. You can see here the business week lesson. How did Bill Hong lost 20 billion? Oh my goodness, 20 billion US dollar and 2 days. This is a very big question. You can see here this time, you can see here the detail, 20 billion and 2 days. Oh my goodness, this is very high amount. You can see here they lost and just 2 days, so this is very bad news for all. You can see here they especially tweeted for this. Bill Hong had 20 billion, he lost at all and 2 days. Oh my goodness, very bad news for all cryptocurrencies holder. This time you can see here specially tweeted on, and this is latest for tweet. You can see here, so why the market cap is totally goes down, and those days this is one big reason I think found it all. I see all for all the latest news, etc. And this time, and the one reason as that to this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrencies is goes down, especially Bitcoin is totally goes down, and Storm X, my brother's Storm X is totally goes down, and this time very critical situation for all holder of Storm X, especially Bitcoin as a very highest cryptocurrency. Everybody knows that Bitcoin is very fastest, but and those they totally and then the lost. So what's the critical situation, how we what we do in this critical situation? I said in this video, friends, please, if you are any crypto holder, then you click on this video, you keep watch this video, please, then you understand to what's going on and what you do. Okay, my brother, and this time you can see here, this time the live chart of 1 month, the 1 month chart, you can see here totally all cryptocurrencies goes down, goes off, sorry, goes off totally. You can see here they go straight and they take a very high jump. You can see here they totally take a good jump. But and this month, then this month, at the start of this month, the first week is totally gone very bad. Everybody know they totally gone very bad. You can see here this is the last 7 days chart. The last 7 days charts that take a very bad dumps. You can see here they totally very bad dumps, and every holder is in the lost, not just even a highest amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. holders. Everyone, Stormex, Ripple, XRP, everyone, every cryptocurrency totally goes down. Totally market capitalization explosion. Bitcoin, everyone, everything. Bitcoin, especially the main coin as Bitcoin, the Bitcoin, and the second one as Stormex. These two cryptocurrencies totally goes down and last 7 days. Therefore 10 billion lost just and last 7 days. So this is very bad news for all holder, and I think market cap is a totally crypto market cap is gone down in those days. So what we do in this critical situation, my brother, I think this is not a selling time. If you are trying to selling, then totally the market is absolutely goes down. So please behold, my friend, I hope in upcoming days, this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency is goes down in this time. So please wait for the end of month or mid of month. I hope they give you a good profit. Every cryptocurrency starting going up again. What you say, please, if you have any new update news, or please share it in a comment box. I have updates news, then I share in this video. Please, if you need this type more informative video, then subscribe this channel. I hope we provide you a latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.